I found my high school diary when we were packing to move here, and well, aside from my terrible handwriting and writing style back then, I found a couple of notes from friends, and I'll show you a picture of me. And I have to be careful because this is really fragile. The whole book falls apart. Standing in my favorite place in the school, and that's the library. And then I don't even remember the names of those two girls I'm standing by. And I used to sketch back in high school. I don't do that anymore. And I found a couple of sketches here. I'll show you one. This is my, I think, math teacher, Mr. DePhillips. Just portion of him anyway. And then the other sketch that just kind of stopped me in my tracks was this one right here. This is of my mother. We used to go to prayer on Thursday nights. Every Thursday we go to do, we pray, we eat, potluck dinner. It was a small mosque in upstate New York, and everybody just brought their different type of dish from different countries, and we prayed and we read Dua Kumail, and this was her sitting and listening intently, and I think she was crying. I couldn't draw her face because I'm not very good at drawing the faces thing, but I wanted to capture this moment, and I thought that was powerful, and this woman is powerful. I mean, she passed away in 2009 to cancer, and my dad passed away, I think, I don't remember the year exactly, but I was a school principal when he did, and I had just seen him, which is good. You know, I had just flown to Iraq, I've seen him, and came back, but those two people are the most resilient people I know in my life. And looking back now as an adult in my life, I've seen them do so many things, face so many challenges, and they were not loud about being resilient. They weren't saying the word or anything, and I didn't even have the word for it back then. I just see them do it, live it. They took any challenge and adversity and changed it to their favor, learned from it. And I think I've got a lot of, of them in me. And seeing this sketch, I love every moment I've spent learning, because that's what it is. Every hard moment is a lesson. We may not realize this when we are in that moment. It takes us time to reflect, but I think if we teach ourselves to reflect, if we teach ourselves that there is a lesson incoming in that hard moment, then there's a lot to be done, a lot to be learned from, and a lot to be gained from these experiences. And that's when you realize you've got resilience. I just wanted to share those moments with everyone this morning, and I really hope you find your moment.